Okay, hi everyone. This is my first time that I talk to you in English. So like this, all of you around the world can understand me because I think that some of us will understand in English. It's better to learn together. That's why I decided to talk to you in English. Okay, so if this is the first time that you watch my video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you think you like my video, please give the thumbs up, and if you have any other question, please comment below. Okay, let's go back to our topic today. Our topic today is we will learn about Fortigate Firewall. As you know, Fortigate Firewall is very popular today. So today we will go through together with configuration with the VLAN. So in this lab I will demo you with 3 VLAN only, and we do the routing VLAN, and we have some configuration with the CISCO switch. So it means that we use the Fortigate firewall with the CISCO switch and do the inter-VLAN routing. So now we go to our lab together. Okay, so this is our GNS3. Let's start with our topology. Okay, we have the Fortigate firewall. We have the switch. We have the cloud for the internet access, and we have PC. Okay, PC1 for the VLAN 1, VLAN 2, VLAN. This is another VLAN. Okay, so give me 2 minutes to connect the topology. Okay, so this is our topology, and let me start with the Fortigate. Okay, so give the Fortigate start up. Okay, for this one, I call it internet. Okay, and for the WAN interface, 130.12/24. Okay, this is for the WAN in the interface because I use this connection with my Wi-Fi. That's why I need to use this address. And we have VLAN 10 for office, and for the VLAN 10 we give .1/24, VLAN 20, we call it Wi-Fi, and for the VLAN 20 we have here, and another one is VLAN 30, we call it CCTV. Okay, for the VLAN 30 we give 30.1. Okay, so this is our VLAN. We will create on Fortigate and our switch. Okay, let's see the Fortigate. Okay, now come up. For the default username password to log in the Fortigate is username admin password, no password, you just press enter, it will go. Okay, so now let's configure our WAN port and set up this IP for the WAN port so we can access our Fortigate by web browser. It's easy to manage, to set up and configure our lab because it have the interface. Okay, let's start config system interface. We go to edit port number 1. So port number 1 is the WAN interface. So we set port mode to static. Okay, to static, and then we set IP to 192.168.130.12/24, and then set rule to WAN. Okay, and set allow access. We allow ping, allow HTTPS, HTTP, SSH. Okay, we can edit later. So in order to access by web browser, we need to enable allow access this HTTP and HTTPS, and if you want to ping, allow ping. Okay, so now okay, we go to web browser here and we type in the IP address here. Okay, so now username admin, no password. It asks for the password change, but for this lab no need to change because we just testing only. Okay, keep it like this. Okay, we go to network and interface. Yeah, we go to port 1 and edit. The rule we already set to WAN, and alias is the name of the port. We put it WAN. Okay, yeah, this one. If you want to enable this, and if no need, just keep it like this. Okay, okay, so now on port 2 we have 3 VLAN here. So now let's go back to our web browser and create interface. I call it VLAN 10, and VLAN 10 office. Okay, tab here we choose VLAN. We have a different tab. So here we want VLAN, and the port is on port 2. VLAN ID is 10. The rule is LAN, that's okay, and the IP address is 192.168.10.1/24. Okay. If you want to allow HTTP ping, okay, we can allow ping for testing. The HTTP server, okay. VLAN 10. So let's continue to VLAN 20. Okay, VLAN 20, and I call it Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi, and port 2 the same, and VLAN ID 20, and for the IP 192.168.20.1. okay, HTTP ping and Also, I need the DHCP server. Okay. Last but not least, another one is VLAN 30. Okay, I call it CCTV port 2 30 and the IP 192.168.30.1. Okay, allow ping. Okay, allow ping and enable the DHCP server as well. Okay, now we have 3 VLAN. So in order to communicate with VLAN, we call inter-VLAN routing. We need to create one more thing, is the zone. I call it local LAN. And for the member, okay, I have VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. Okay, so these 3 VLAN, if we enable this option, it means that VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30 cannot communicate with each other. So it will not route to each other. And if we want to allow the traffic from VLAN 10 to access VLAN 20 and VLAN 30, we need to disable this one. Okay. So okay. Now we have this one local LAN on port 2, and we have the member is VLAN 10, VLAN 20 and VLAN 30. Okay, and we need to configure the VLAN here as well. Okay, so we go to our switch, configure. This port connect to the Fortigate is the trunk port. Okay, so switch port, switch interface is row/row, switch port trunk. We need to enable this command to allow the VLAN traffic access on that port. Okay, switch port mode trunk. Another one is switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. Okay, so VLAN 10, it will be created automatically. And then we go to another port. Okay, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. Okay, VLAN 20 also create, and another one is VLAN 30. Okay, VLAN 30 create. So save the configuration and verify. So VLAN brief. Okay, we have VLAN 10, 20, 30, and verify the port. So interface data. Okay, trunk port 10, 20, 30. Correct. So now let's start our client. Okay, start. This one, it will be VLAN 10, 192.168.10.2, and this one, it will be VLAN 20. Okay, it will get that IP because we set to start from 2. Okay, this one VLAN 30. So go to our client. Okay, now come up. I don't want to set the network. Okay, so let's check the IP. Okay, 10.2 correct. 10.2, and this one we set IP DHCP. It will ask IP from the DHCP server, and 192.168.20.2. okay, correct. Okay, let's test to ping to VLAN 10, 192.168.10.2. okay, now can. And this one VLAN 30 IP DHCP. Okay, so let's try ping to VLAN 20. Okay, now can. And try ping to VLAN 10. Can. So now we can communicate with each other different VLAN. VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. And we want to access the internet. Oh, sorry. We cannot. So in order to access the internet, so let's test one more thing from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20. Okay, and VLAN 10 to VLAN 30. And we try to ping Google. Cannot. Okay, in order to allow our client to access the internet, we need one more step to go. Okay, so let's go to static route, and we create the route. For the gateway, we need to put our gateway, WAN gateway, and interface WAN port. Okay, port 1, and okay. Another one, we go to policy, IPv4 policy, and we create allow local LAN. Okay, incoming interface, our local LAN. Outgoing interface is WAN. Why we choose local LAN? Because local LAN is the LAN zone that have 3 VLAN in it. That's why we choose this one. Okay, and then for the source we choose all for testing. This one on. Okay, and then okay. Okay, so now we go back to our client and we try to ping Google. Yay! And we open the browser. Let's say YouTube. where YouTube. Okay, now it can. Okay, so now go back to our VLAN 20. We try to ping again. So now we can ping. Okay, from PC to VLAN 30. Okay, also can. Okay, so now that's all for my lab today. So if you guys have questions, please comment below and we will get back to you. Thank you for watching.